Ready to test your beginner-level spelling skills? I'll read each word and its options, and you choose the correct spelling. 10 questions, 10 seconds each. Let's jump right in. Question 1. Which is the correct spelling for eggs? A. A-I-G-G-S. B. E-G-G-S. C. E-G-G-E-S. If you chose B, E-G-G-S, you're off to a great start. Let's move on to the next question. Question 2. Which is the correct spelling for butter? A. B-U-T-O-R. B. B-U-T-E-R. C. B-U-T-T-E-R. The answer is C. B-U-T-T-E-R. Question 3. Which is the correct spelling for the word milk? A. M-E-L-C-K. B. M-E-L-K. C. M-I-L-K. The correct answer is C. M-I-L-K. Question 4. Which is the correct spelling for bread? A. B-R-E-A-D. B. B-R-E-D. C. B-R-E-D-E. If you chose A, B-R-E-A-D, great job. Keep it up. Question 5. Which is the correct spelling for fish? A. F-E-E-S-H. B. F-I-S-H. C. F-I-S-C-H. The correct spelling is B. F-I-S-H. Question 6. Which is the correct spelling for meat? A. M-E-T-E. B. M-E-A-T. C. M-I-E-T. If you chose B. M-E-A-T, you're on a roll. Keep going. Question 7. Which is the correct spelling for food? A. F-U-D-E. B. F-O-O-D. C. F-O-O-D-E. The answer is B. F-O-O-D. Question 8. Which is the correct spelling for bag? A. B-A-G. B. B-A-G-G. C. B-A-G-E. The correct spelling is A. B-A-G. Question 9. Which is the correct spelling for cash? A. K-A-S-H. B. C-A-S-C-H. C. C-A-S-H. If you chose C. C-A-S-H, you are correct. Question 10. Which is the correct spelling for card? A. C-A-R-D. B. K-A-R-D. C. C-A-R-D-E. The answer is A. C-A-R-D. Intermediate, Level 2, ready? 10 questions, 10 seconds each. Question 1. Which is the correct spelling for basket? A. B-A-S-K-E-T. B. B-A-S-S-K-I-T. C. B-A-Z-K-E-T. If you chose A. B-A-S-K-E-T, you are correct. Question 2. Which is the correct spelling for spinach? A. S-P-I-N-I-C-H. B. S-P-I-N-I-C-H-E. C. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. The answer is C. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. If you got that, I'll bet you're eating your spinach. Question 3. Which is the correct spelling for the word onion? A. O-N-I-U-N. B. O-N-I-O-N. C. O-N-Y-O-N. If you chose B. O-N-I-O-N, good job. Keep it up. Question 4. Which is the correct spelling for carrot? A. C-A-R-R-O-T. B. C-A-R-R-A-T. C. C-A-R-U-T. The correct spelling is A. C-A-R-R-O-T. Question 5. Which is the correct spelling for lettuce? A. L-E-T-T-U-S. B. L-E-T-U-S-E. C. L-E-T-T-U-C-E. If you chose C. L-E-T-T-U-C-E, you are correct. Question 6. Which is the correct spelling for cheese? A. C-H-E-S-S-E. B. C-H-E-E-S-E. C. C-H-E-A-S-E. If you chose B. C-H-E-E-S-E, great job. Let's move on to the next question. Question 7. Which is the correct spelling for pineapple? A. P-I-N-A-P-P-L-E. B. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E. C. P-I-N-E-A-P-L-E. The answer is B. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E. Question 8. Which is the correct spelling for honey? A. Honey. B. Hunny. C. Honnie. The correct spelling is A. Honey. Almost there. Question 9. Which is the correct spelling for avocado? A. Avecado. B. Avacado. C. Avocado. The answer is C. Avocado. You're doing great. Ready for the last question? Question 10. Which is the correct spelling for cookie? A. Cookie. B. Cooky. C. Cookey. The answer is A. Cookie. Thank you for participating. Spread the love, share this video with a friend.